WDSU first warning weather. Weather alert day is already in effect for the cold that came in today. They're going to happen all week long. Children's Hospital Camp Port of New Orleans behind me here, but we are already under a winter storm warning. This is for Tuesday. So it kicks in Monday night to Tuesday at midnight, Monday night to Tuesday, and then goes till Tuesday night, midnight, into Wednesday. So the 24 hours of Tuesday. Everybody shown there should be preparing now. In fact, if you're not even under the warning, even all the way to the coast, you should be preparing. I'm going to show you why in a minute. On top of the 4 Ps, we're protecting North Shore and South Shore. If you have an emergency, try to get a shovel, try to get scrapers if you can right now. A lot of us park outside on the streets. This is one of those you got to be able to clear your car if you happen to have some sort of emergency. Real-time temperatures already 39 in the Hammond. We're 47 right here. And we've got a breeze that's already in 10 to 20 miles per hour with higher gusts. So here's the bigger picture for us. We've got this developing Gulf low. Usually we talk about hurricane seasons and Gulf lows and storms we don't want. In this case, it's the brutal Arctic cold that will interact with that developing system. You can see this, the snow shown in the purple blue shades, that little mix. That's going to be the sleet, the freezing rain, ice, maybe even rain and snow all together. Tomorrow morning it is cold. The cold advisory in effect 20s, but then the wind chills making it feel as cold as 10 to 15. So the cold advisory in effect from us kicks in here in about 12 minutes. And we got the cloudcast tomorrow. Clouds will build in late, so it's a sunny day. It's a breezy and cold day. Temperatures only into the 40s, wind chills even colder than that. So let's really break down Tuesday. Winter storm warning that's already in effect. It's not for the coast, but you can find wintry weather too. This particular high-res forecast shows after midnight precipitation coming in, but the mix, the possible sleet at first before transitioning all to snow as we get through the heart of the morning hours here on Tuesday. Then everybody could be getting snow through the heart of the day, wrapping up by Tuesday evening. This is a workhorse forecast that's coming out of the U.S., our GFS. Could start with that precip onset a little bit later, but does also show the very big similarities here. Going to snow in the afternoon, wrapping up by Tuesday night. And then we go into the forecast out of Europe, also coming into onset closer to sunrise, if you'd happen to see it, starting with mixed precip first here, then transitioning all the snow, heavier snow going in through the heart of the day. Heaviest snow should be right at about noon up until about 3 to 4 o'clock and tapering off by Tuesday night. We're looking at forecast totals from the U.S. forecast, 2 to 4 inches around the areas, but you can start to see similarities in a little bit higher forecast out of Europe. So when I break it all down and look together, this is what I'm seeing. That I got a 1 to 3 on the coast, and I see a 2 to 4 right in through the River Parish corridor, the I-10 if you will, and that includes New Orleans. Right now around a 3-inch forecast looking good, but that's both sleet and snow. More just snow in a corridor of about 3 to 6 in the North Shore, and farther north you're going to go, the precipitation actually cuts off. And it could be areas west where we look for a lot of this to snack up. The timing after midnight, earlier morning hours, and not until you get closer to sunrise areas east. The high temperatures in the 30s, wind chills even colder. Breaking it down first to the North Shore, the 3 to 6 inch. Mainly snow, some sleet. You're under the winter storm warning and the cold weather advisory. River Parish is 2 to 4. Mainly snow, but some sleet mixing in here too, especially at onset. The winter storm warning, the cold weather advisory is in effect. We go into the Thibodaux and the Bayou Parishes area in Houma, 1 to 3. This is where we start to get more mixed precipitation. There could be a little bit more of that freezing rain and ice. Winter storm warnings and cold weather advisories for you too. The Metro, a 2 to 4 of mainly snow. We get some sleet here too. The winter storm warning, the cold weather advisory. And then Lower Plaquemines is the one where we could get everything all together, but you're not officially in a warning. And it could be more rain and you don't get a whole lot to stack up, but it still could be pretty dangerous for you too. Martin Luther King Jr. holiday, a very cold one, of course. That's why the alert day and the cold advisory. We look for the precipitation onset late Monday night, all day through Tuesday. Then once we get through this, it is still very cold into Wednesday, which is, I say, Tuesday, Wednesday, prepare to stay inside.